And now it's time for Cash Johnny Caine's Medical School for Morons, where we try to learn one thing. Just one goddamn thing. Today's episode, expected values of a discrete probability distribution. Yay! The probability distribution table for a discrete random variable x is shown. Alrighty, let's take a look. What is the value of p, x equals 20? Okie dokie, without guessing now, have you got it? No? Well, that's all right. Well, what if we applied it to a real-life scenario? Would that help? This is Dale, and Dale loves to drink beer. Boy, does he love to drink beer! And by looking at the table, we can see that Dale drinks 2 beers 40% of the time and 4 beers 20% of the time. So we need to find out how often that dumbass Dale drinks 20 beers. Well, first, we know that the range of probabilities, or the right side of the table, must be equal to 1. Why? Because it represents 100% certainty that one of the possible scenarios, or outcomes, better known as the left-hand side of the table, absolutely must occur. So, knowing this principle, what is the unknown figure that would bring the range of possibilities to exactly 1? What's that? Hot damn, that's right. The answer is 0.4. Dale drinks 20 beers 40% of the time. Was that one of our choices down below? You bet your ass it was. The answer is B. Now that we have all our ducks in a row, do you think you could work out the expected value, or mean, for the random variables? Here's the formula. This will tell us Dale's average intake over a prolonged period of time. God help us!